I'm YC, I'm the mural artist who painted this mural, as well as a couple of other murals in Chinatown, Everton Road and Tiong Bahru. I painted this mural called the Mid-Autumn Festival because it was a major festival in Chinatown. So LocoMole has applied its technology, especially AR and animation, and made my hand-painted murals come alive. It was very interesting to see the lanterns got lit up and the dragons flying about. I painted this mural called My Chinatown Home because I wanted to showcase an old house that I used to live in at Sago Lane. One of my fondest memories of living in this home is playing with my siblings on this high bed. It's taller than us, so we also get to jump down from the bed and annoy the neighbors. So by using the app, the visitor is able to have a different experience and perspective of our rich heritage culture. I very much enjoyed painting this mural, especially the clothes of the actors and actresses, the colors, their facial expressions. And I've seen many people posing and having fun with the murals.